Hello everyone, it's me again. Yesterday I got a question from a student in the Math Learning Center, which is really similar to the question I'm showing you here right now, because I don't remember what he asked me, so I found an example. I think this question was from a quiz last semester. I don't remember which term, which quiz exactly, but I do think it's a really good question because it tests you the knowledge for function, image, and sets. I remember last year a lot of students freaked out when they saw the question, and very few students actually got this. So I don't want the same thing happen again in case it actually shows up in your quiz later. So let's work on this. Proof. For this question, it's actually quite similar to the set equality question we've done before. As always, you need to pick an arbitrary number from this and show that that element is actually an element of this as well. So, before we actually do that, let's go over the definition. So, by definition of image, we have f of c intersect d is actually fx such that x is in c intersect d. Alright, now we can pick an arbitrary element y in f c intersect d. Then we know that there exists some element x in c intersect d such that f of x is y. Okay, now what you have x is an element of c intersect d, so we can open that up. This implies x is an element of c and x is an element of d. Alright, based on this, since x is an element of c, we have y equals to f of x. Then y would be an element of f of c. Okay, this is by the definition of image. Same for d. Since x is an element of d, y equals to f of x would be an element of f of d as well. Okay, and the relation between those two would be and, right? So we can conclude this implies y is an element of f of c and f of d. Or let's write them separately. Y is an element of f of d. So based on this, you would have y is an element of f of c intersect f of d. Well, since you have this from the beginning, now you reach to this at the end, we know that our work is done. Therefore, f of c intersect d is a subset of f of c intersect f of d. Now you are actually done, right? Just gonna erase those highlights. And I wrote something. I actually wrote this proof in very detail that you actually don't have to write all of them. I'll just highlight the step you have to write down, okay? I would say this sentence is quite important. Same with this sentence, okay? And then you can just start from here, and then move to here, since it's like quite obvious already, and then your conclusion. So this actual proof is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines, which is not bad at all. I do think it's a really good quiz question. Make sure you understand this and do some questions. I think they do have some similar questions on the textbook. Make sure you try them out and make sure you know how to do them. And that's the end of my video. Okay, good luck later. Bye.